Make sure you're working from the Provider Privileging application. Each of your facilities that offer privileging should be set up as their own record in Health Cloud's Healthcare Facilities object. Configure your provider privilege records so that each privilege offered at one or more of your facilities is listed one time. In this example, Facility A and Facility B share two privileges and also both have one unique privilege. This should result in 4 total records being created so that each privilege is included one time. Privileges will be assigned to facilities in a later step. Each privilege includes a type and a subtype. Types are required and include options of admitting, courtesy, and surgical. Additional types can be added by a system administrator for your organization. Subtypes are optional, but only one record for each type should include a blank subtype. Setting up privilege documents is a lot like setting up provider privileges offered. Create one record in privilege document for any document required by at least one privilege at least one facility. In this example, there's a privilege at Facility A that requires 3 documents. 2 of the same documents are also required for a different privilege at Facility B. So 3 records should be created in the Privilege Documents object to cover all unique documents. These documents will be assigned to privileges at facilities in a later step. Creating privilege documents only requires a name and a description. Define the file types your organization will allow to be uploaded during a provider's privilege request. To do this, navigate to Privilege Allowed Document Types. Then create a new record for each file type to allow. Specify the file extension and whether or not that extension should be active. Only active file extensions are allowed during the upload process. The file extension can be entered in lower or uppercase and with or without a leading dot. Facilities can offer multiple privileges. If you have multiple facilities, then each one can offer a different set of privileges. Even if multiple facilities offer the same privilege, you can still vary the documents required to request that privilege by facility. And the same document can be required from multiple privilege requests. To do this, navigate to the Provider Privileging application. Then select a healthcare facility record to assign privileges to and navigate to its Privilege Management tab. Select the privileges offered at this facility. Later, you can use this same screen to deselect privileges if any selected privilege is no longer offered at this facility. Select Next to review your updates. If all privilege updates look correct, then select Confirm. You now see a summary of how many privileges were added and removed from this facility. Toggle the option to Yes to begin specifying which privileges require which documents at this facility. You are presented with a list of privileges currently assigned to this facility. Select one to specify which documents are required for that privilege at the current facility. Choose all documents that are required for the selected privilege at the current facility. Review and confirm your updates when ready. View the count of documents added and removed for the selected privilege and facility. Then click Finish. Select the Update Privilege Documents button to add document requirements for additional privileges at this facility. Thanks for watching and congratulations, you are now ready to accept provider privilege requests.